Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make Jamaican style brown stew turkey neck. First and foremost, big up Father God away. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make my Jamaican style brown stew turkey neck. So this is the turkey neck I'm using, and this is 4 pounds of turkey neck. Just need to clean it and wash it. Here I'm going to use some sweet peppers, some scallions, tomato, onion, and carrots. The peppers, we're just going to cut off a piece of each of them. The onion the same, I'm not going to use all of the onion. I'm going to use all of the carrot though. Here I'm going to use some pimentos, piece of fresh thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, 3 cubes of garlic. Here I'm going to use a piece of ginger. I'm going to use my green seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning, where you could get below this video. I'm going to use some Grace ketchup, Grace butterbean, and some Grace browning for the color. I'm going to use a little black pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. So now I'm just going to use my scissors and just trim off some of these. Now I'm going to wash it with lime and salt. Now I'm going to season the turkey neck. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. 2 tablespoons green seasoning. 1/2 tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon Grace browning. Now I'm going to massage all this seasoning in the turkey neck. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to marinate for 4 hours before I cook it. Now I'm going to prep all my ingredients. I already trim up my garlic and wash them. I scrape the ginger and wash it also. So I just need to mash it just like this. Just like this. I don't need to cut it up. The garlic also. going to chop the scallions. The sweet peppers, I'm just going to cut them in julienne strips. Cut the onion. The tomato, I already wash it. For the tomato, I'm just going to use half of the tomato, not going to use all of it. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. Light up the stove. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To the pot, I'm going to add ginger, garlic, pimentos, and thyme. This is how it looks after 4 hours. Seasoned to perfection. Now I'm going to add the turkey neck. Now I'm going to leave it open for 15 minutes before I cover it. After 15 minutes on the stove, this is how it looks. And I have my stove on medium heat, so I just keep stirring them. This the bowl I season the turkey neck in. I'm just going to wash it out with 4 cups of water. Because turkey neck, it takes a long time to cook. So I'm just going to wash out all the excess seasoning that leave back. So 4 cups of hot water. That should be it. Now I'm going to add the water. To stir. You see it just look dark a while ago, my people. See as the water catch it, the meat come clear. See? It was just the browning. Look at it. Turkey neck take 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. I definitely need to add more water as I go along. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it, make it continue cook. So 1 hour and 15 minutes since the turkey neck up on the stove. I'm going to drop my scotch bonnet pepper in there. Going to add my tomato. onions and sweet pepper. Some more thyme. My carrots, scallions, some of it. Now I'm going to stir. Now I'm going to cover it up for 15 more minutes before I add the butter beans. Now I'm going to add the butter beans. And stir. Now I'm going to add the ketchup. Not too much ketchup because I don't want it to be tangy. And this is the pepper. I don't want the pepper to burst. Now I'm going to cover it up for 15 more minutes and low heat. After 15 minutes, it's supposed to be ready to serve. Okay. Alright, my people, now the turkey neck cooked to perfection. Should see, shiny, falling off the bone. See, fully cooked to perfection. See? Falling off the bones. This turkey neck, you could eat it with rice and peas, white rice, or boiled food, which is dumpling, yam, and banana. Now I'm just going to turn off the stove. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what would you eat this brown stew turkey neck with? So thank you so much to watch this video to the end. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.